Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to create eye-catching event flyers for social media with Canva. Click Create, type Flyer, and select the flyer option. Choose the landscape orientation for this tutorial to get the correct layout. This sets up your project for easy customization and design. Proceed to the next step when ready. Browse the templates, then click the text box and type the word event to begin customization. Select the type of event, then choose a design for your event flyer. Browse through the available templates and pick one that fits your theme. This will help you quickly create an attractive and effective flyer for your event. Select the item to edit its details. For food options, review the available choices and make any necessary changes to customize your selection efficiently. This allows you to manage your preferences easily. Search for elements to edit or add new ones. Use the magic recommendation feature to find suggestions quickly, enhancing your project efficiently without wasting time on manual searches or adjustments. Type a food name into the search bar to find specific items. The search will filter results to show only the foods you are looking for, making it quicker to locate your desired options. Let's delete the current design and start fresh. First, add this type of food item. Next, include this one as well to complete the new design. This approach ensures a clean slate and a clear selection of food categories for your project. Add the element by clicking the plus icon, then select the desired option from the menu to include it in your project seamlessly. Identify the hard part in the project. Select the section you want to focus on, then display it clearly on the screen. This helps isolate difficult segments for detailed review or editing, ensuring you address challenges effectively during your workflow. Resize this image and position it here. Next, add 4 more elements to the layout, ensuring they are evenly spaced and aligned for a balanced design. This arrangement enhances visual appeal and improves overall composition within your project. To enhance your design, add this element to your workspace. Select the element and press Ctrl plus D or CMD plus D to duplicate it quickly. Position the duplicate where needed to maintain balance and symmetry. Use the alignment tools to ensure even spacing between elements. Adjust colors and sizes to create visual interest and consistency. Experiment with layering to add depth. Group related elements to keep your design organized. This method helps create a professional, cohesive look in your graphics efficiently and effectively. Edit the flyer details by selecting the end time, choosing between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. You can also change the date to fit your schedule. Next, add a location by typing it in the designated field. Finally, update the venue information to reflect the correct place. These adjustments ensure your flyer contains the most accurate and relevant event details. Review all changes before finalizing the flyer to make sure everything is correct and clear. Edit the company details here, including adding a link. Once you have finalized your design, review all elements to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments before proceeding. This step ensures your information is complete and correctly formatted, preparing your design for sharing or publishing. Confirm changes, then continue to the next stage. Click Share, then select Download. Increase the size to improve quality before clicking Download to save the file to your device. Now you know how to design a stunning social media event flyer in Canva-like, and subscribe for more cool design tips.